Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video once again. So today I will be talking about translating response again. So let's come to the point and let's see. The number one is তোমার কোনো ধারণাই নেই ওর কাছে কি আছে. You have no idea that what he have. You have no idea what he have. Number two, তোমার বলতে থাকা উচিত. Okay? You should keep speaking. You should keep speaking. তোমার বলতে থাকা উচিত. Number three, আমি জানি সবকিছু যে আপনি কি করতে চান. I know everything. I know everything that what you want to do. Want to do. I know everything that what I want to do. And the last one is কোনো কাজে কঠিন নয়, আমরা কঠিন করে ফেলি. Okay? There is no work. There is no work difficult. There is no work is difficult. There is no work difficult. We we take it. Sorry, it make we make it difficult. Difficult. Okay? কোনো কাজে কঠিন নয়, আমরা কঠিন করে ফেলি. There is no work difficult. We make it difficult. Okay? তোমার কোনো ধারণা নেই ওর কাছে কি আছে. You have no idea that what he have. তোমার বলতে থাকা উচিত. You should keep speaking. আমি জানি সবকিছু যে আপনি কি করতে চান. I know everything that what you want to do. And the last one is কোনো কাজে কঠিন নয়, আমরা কঠিন করে ফেলি. There is no work difficult. We make it difficult. Okay? How was the class? Let me know. And have a great day and make practice and make sentences so that you can learn English very easily. So how was the class? Let me know and have a great day. See you on the time. Bye.